Struggling to start a group chat on Discord? Learn how to create one in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Discord and navigate to your DMs. Then, I'll show you how to add friends, name the group, and customize it with an icon. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. Then, click the Discord icon in the top left corner to head to your direct messages. Now, look for the new Group DM icon. It's a speech bubble with a plus sign at the top right, and click it. From the list that appears, select the friends you want to add, or you can search by username to find them quickly. Once you've chosen your friends, type a name for your new group in the Group Name field. You can also customize the group by clicking the default group icon or the pencil icon to upload a new image. Go ahead and click Upload Image to select a picture from your files. Then click Apply to set it as the group icon. Finally, click Create Group Message to launch your new group chat. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.